What's up, people? It's your boy TP4F Beats. 2 phones free. You already know what it is. I'm finna play this track. I ain't put it out yet. I'm thinking about it. I might remove some shit, but y'all let me know though. My bad for the language. Y'all let me know though. But hey, I think this is a burner, man. And look, ladies and gentlemen, AI everywhere. AI in this. All right. You can even tweak this. I'll send you the beat and you can tweak it and tell AI to tweak it and make it your own stuff. So it is what it is, man. Be creative. That's what AI here for. AI is to make us creative. And that's exactly what we getting creative. Y'all see another new world. It's a new world we in now, man. But 2 Phone will drop that beat for y'all though. But y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know what's up with this joint. I'm telling y'all, this fire. I can remove some stuff though. I know I can remove some stuff, but it is what it is. I like it like this though. I like it like this. Y'all want to hear some vocals to the beat? So here it is. Here it is. I like that part. Hey, hey. Yeah. 2 phones on no beat. For free. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all know who this is? Got them beats banging. Yeah. Woo. I'm cooking. Cook 'em. Say go DJ. That my DJ. Say go DJ. That my DJ. Get him. I got one. I told y'all, bro. Woo! Rock with me on this one. Rock with me. This gonna be blowing out your speakers, bro. Blowing out your speakers, bro. Rock with me on this one, man. SoundTrap.com, bro, for free. SoundTrap.com, everybody can get on it for free. Download it for your phone right now, man. Get this on iOS and Android, Google Play. Man, I don't play. Google Play, Apple App Store, get it right now, free SoundTrap. Get it on your laptop, get it on Windows, get it on Mac, get it on the Chromebook. You're gonna do it. Oh, bang, bang. I told y'all, boy, I got them bars. I'm cooking. I'm gonna cook y'all. You know what I'm saying? 618, stand up, baby. Get these apps for free. Make a beat for free. Download for free. Everything for free. Ow! Woo! Man, I just played the whole beat for y'all. Damn. Mm-hmm. All right. All right, that's it.